my phone, but coming here.
You've never gone live at all.
Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
What's up?
This is your first live. That's what we hear.
Yes, this is our first live.
And
I'm pretty nervous about it for some reason. So, and excited actually because we've been actually thinking of coming live for a long time. And what's better than coming from Facebook itself?
So we're here at Facebook office, and for the first time, yes, as we mentioned that we're going online. We're online right now. So the heart is
And this
beating.
actually feels like a performance nervousness thing, like, you know. But yeah, excited.
It's good fun.
what's scarier, the Facebook live or Nach Baliye?
Oh my
I think
God.
at this time, like this moment, it's Facebook Live.
No, I still think naturally.
Yeah, it's fun. I think Nach Baliye this season it's quite a lot of fun because all the contestants are very quite nice.
Yeah, everyone is good. You know, we were just talking about it a few days ago that we don't have any particular couple per se, you know, who we're like, you know, intimidated by or whatever. Everyone is adorable. So
They have their own stories,
their own chemistries,
their
you know.
USPs. Some are comedians, some are RJs. So it feels a little like I think I'm the only one who's a dancer.
I
But
know,
the
I
rest are
feel
the
that.
actors and everything. So I'm quite nervous.
So you shouldn't be nervous.
No, but it's just competing with the actors because
Yeah.
they come back. They come from a performance
Yeah,
background.
and it's scary, yeah. Dancing, it's not as easy as it looks, you know. I keep telling him that I'm so sorry for all the times that I bothered you when you were doing reality shoots, you know, that you don't call and you don't message. I know now how stressful it is.
So, कैसा है? Like, जो rehearsals करते हैं आप लोग, how tough is it? Like, how tough is the entire?
I think it's a lot of fun. It's not that tough. Just the starting. Just the starting period is tough. It's like you going to the gym.
Yeah, your body aches. Like I was
So-
telling him, I didn't even know I have certain muscles and now suddenly they're all hurting. So, yeah, awareness.
So, is he a good masseuse then?
Yeah. Yeah, your body aches.
Like for me.
I didn't know I have certain muscles and now
See, you guys are live and you can actually see yourself
I know, I
live.
see myself right now.
So, जितने भी लोग हैं, please send in your comments because these guys are going to take in your questions.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see the comments now.
When you can actually see.
Oh yeah, you got it. Yay!
Oh, hi guys. Shivangi, Mahesh, Kumar, Maria. Wow.
Turn
Hello,
up the
hello.
volume.
So I'm going to see the comments.
It's okay. Yeah, good.
Wow,
Sujata. Hi Krishna. Hi Junaid.
Look
Hi
and say hi.
Palak. Hi, what's up? So
Yeah, interesting. I think we should come live more often.
hi.
I'm going to
Abba
cut to the
Saxena.
chase
Yes.
and we're going to start talking about you guys as a couple. We just talked about dancing.
Cool.
So we'll get back to it. So, how did you guys meet?
Well,
Switch off
the
your...
volume.
Because then people on live will get confused.
Cool.
We have actually there was this common friend of mine.
No, I think in a nutshell,
No, we want the long story.
no.
Nutshell is like more funny. It's like she saw me in my towel.
Yeah, and then
she
I
was-
fell head over
fell in
heels
love
over
with
in
me.
love.
I think
Yeah,
that's the
yeah,
story.
yeah.
Did he
That's
have
the
a
story he gives
Savarya moment?
everybody. Yeah, he came out at his start. Okay, I'll tell you the story from the beginning. So I have a friend Mohit who lived with Sanam that time. They were flatmates back then. So he kept telling me, you know, I have a friend Sanam. You should meet him. मेरा भाई है, मेरा ये है, मेरा वो है. So I was like, okay, chalo, fine, I'll come meet him someday. So one day we went over to his place and I was like, where's Sanam? He's like, अरे वो नहा रहा है. And suddenly Sanam comes out under a towel.
And I say, Arey, I've seen you on television
And he's like,
somewhere.
I've seen you on TV, you come in Channel V.
And
Na?
that was
So I
it.
was like, yeah. So I was like, chalo, theek hai, hot to hai ladka. But then he didn't talk to me the entire evening. He just sat in a corner on his phone. So I told Mohit ki, you know, I don't think he really likes people in
No,
general.
It's just that I'm very shy.
Yeah, I got to know that
I'm
later.
a quiet guy.
So I told him, please, मुझे कभी घर मत बुलाना अपने ये काफी सड़ू है. But then I got to know him and he's actually quite shy. So we became friends for a year and a half. We were just friends, and then we confessed our feelings to each other, and now we're here.
The funny part.
Is it difficult? Oh, yeah, sorry.
No. I was just telling you about
The
the
funny part, not
That-
so funny.
Yes, I think एक साल हो चुका था. So when I thought कि yes, it's been a while, I should ask her out, and because I've been very unfair and everything, so I thought कि चलो ये time आ गया, let's ask her out. I told her कि I've been very unfair, so let's make it real. The answer I got was thanks.
I was sleepy. I couldn't understand what he said. I was shooting the whole day. We had a house party at his place. Then I went into one of the rooms and just crashed because I was so sleepy. So he comes, wakes me up and he tells me all this. And I just thought in general, he's just being nice to me for some reason. I thought maybe he's just feeling bad because he knows I like him and stuff. And
But
then
thanks.
I said thanks and I slept and I had no idea that he took it as a yes. And the next morning, everyone's texting me while I'm at work that, hey, congratulations,
I
finally.
even dropped her at the door, till the
Yeah,
door.
when I was leaving for shoot, he made chai for me and everything. So I was like, okay, this is new.
So the chai was really good, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it was more, yeah, I was really confused at that point of time.
She had to actually ask her friend.
Yeah,
call
I
her up.
called up a few people and I said, listen, he
Ki
said
iska
this
matlab
to
kya hai?
me. What does it mean? Like, was he asking me out? Because I didn't say yes or no. I just said thanks and everything. So then in the evening, another friend said, yes, he did ask you out and he took your thanks as a yes. And he's telling everybody you all are in a relationship and you have no clue about it. So then I spoke to him and I told him.
So that was the fun part.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite thing to do together?
Eat. I love eating and he loves eating
Chilling
too.
at home, watching anything on television.
We put on Friends, that's what we watch mostly when we're home. Because whenever we're home, we're so tired to actually sit and watch a movie. We put on our favorite episode of Friends, or any episode of Friends, and we just watch it, order a pizza, and then we eat. I think that's our favorite.
Or we take a trip if you're too bored.
Yeah, but I'm also the lazy kind. So, if you have 1-2 days ka trip, so nahi hota hai. But otherwise, we try ki at least 2 or 3 times a year we have to go for vacations. We try to make that happen.
So I think the fun part that we do together is eat, laze around, and chill.
And that's what I want from life. Food.
So it's just like you're a very chilled out, laid back couple, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Right?
Matlab, we don't have to go watch a movie outside.
Yeah, and we're not like the party people. We're not like the socializing kind. We like, just chilling at home, going out just if there's like really good food involved in the plan.
Because whatever good food is available in Mumbai can be ordered at home.
And Sanam cooks. He cooks.
Yeah, and yes, I cook and everything, but everything is available on Zomato. Just order whatever you like. Chill at home.
Yeah.
Watch.
तो
Drink.
अब हम जानेंगे कि आप अपने बलिए को कितना अच्छे से जानते हैं, right? So we have prepped this game. Do you see all these reaction pillows that you guys have?
Yes,
Yeah, I love
yes.
them.
So pick one which has a crying face and pick one which has a laughing face. So
This is
Crying.
sad.
and
There's
pick
no
the
crying.
laughing
Okay,
one.
I have
Yeah?
the laughing.
Okay. So pick both of them. Abigail, you can have those with you.
Okay.
Okay. Now the thing is, the questions are about her.
Yes.
I'm going to ask you the questions. If you think it's correct, show the haha. If it's not, show the crying face.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. All right.
Okay. And we'll try and keep this rapid.
Cool.
Yeah.
And but if there's an anecdote or there's a story attached to it, then
We can
please.
just-
I always
We can
have
fill it.
stories.
Awesome.
I'll keep talking.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to start. Color of her eyes. Without
Black.
looking.
Dark brown, Sanam. You only noticed that about me a few months ago.
Dark brown is black.
No, it isn't. No, this.
This is black.
Her favorite holiday destination.
Goa.
Awesome. Does she like you in a beard or clean shaven?
Clean shaven.
Awesome.
Yeah, I know. Like, I'm just giving in this
I
time.
had this much beard.
It'll be out in a
I
week
just
or two.
cleaned it a little bit. This is clean shaven for me.
It will be in a week or two.
Her favorite flavor of ice cream.
She doesn't like ice creams.
Oh. Awesome. Never has she ever cheated in an exam.
No.
Seriously.
Yeah, I used to
She's a
get
good
really
kid.
scared. Yeah, no, I'm not good. I was a scared kid. I really got scared of getting caught. So,
Okay.
yeah, I used to make plans, but never really.
5 things you'd find in a purse. Quickly.
Sanitizer, then kajal, then
Sanam?
perfume. 5, no?
Yeah,
2 more.
2 more.
Tissue papers and
Kachra.
dust. Lots of dust.
I'm lazy.
Do you want to ask the question everyone asks? ये लड़कियों के पर्स में क्या होता है? पूरा जहान
No,
होता है.
I know वो क्या क्या होता है. ऐसा कुछ भी interesting नहीं
Sanam
होता.
also has his things in my purse, like his perfume and his stuff.
Sometimes yes, but इतना कुछ nothing is interesting. Like whatever you think, it's like the
normal stuff.
yeah.
Yeah, and he
it
also
breaks
carries
the fantasy.
same things.
It's like that. You find out and the fantasy is gone. Okay, nothing's there.
Okay. Her favorite thing to do on a date.
Eat.
Okay, that was simple actually. One thing that cheers her up instantly, and do not say it.
Food. I'm not even kidding. I'm
put
not
this up
even
before
kidding.
only, I
We've
know.
had like fights and everything. That's usual.
And he just gets my favorite food. See, Sundar
Ta-da.
Sasta Tikau.
See, like button for that.
Okay. Important question.
Yes.
Would she prefer a ring or a holiday for a proposal?
I think a holiday. Ring is too cliche.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would also like a ring after that.
Proposal, to it, ring
Yeah,
comes
yeah.
along like the. Then stress also comes along. It's like the part and parcel.
Okay. Now this is an acting exercise for you. So when she's angry, make her angry expression.
Make her angry.
Yeah.
It's actually like that. It's
He keeps
no,
making
it's
fun of
like
my
that
face because he says
it's
it's round.
see, it's very evident. You see this round face. You see this round face.
You see the thick eyebrows.
Get angry. Get angry. See, it's exactly the same.
You are supposed to do it, Sanam.
See this?
And like the cute expression that she makes. Like the
Oh.
cutest thing about her.
She said, "Ow, ow," and I go crazy.
Whenever
and
I
I'm
get
like,
hurt,
"Oh,
I
fuck."
realize
It
because
hurts here.
He keeps telling me that you just cry for no reason. It doesn't hurt. So then I have to be cute to get some sympathy from. So I'm like, oh, and then he comes.
Is
he comes along.
Is he more like a taskmaster on?
He's a perfectionist, and I like that about him because he doesn't stop. He doesn't tell me that okay, chalo, you're a non-dancer, so I'm going to be a little lenient on you because he's not done that ever. That's why he pushes me so hard, and that's why. I
See,
think
all
I'm
this
doing
while
what I'm
I've been doing such shows where I have to perform with an artist, not a professional dancer, but like a non-dancer, an actor who can dance and everything. So I've been trained like that, how to get the best out of. And I think she doesn't know that she's very good. Like sometimes she does something better than our choreographer, and although our choreographer will hate this,
she's gonna
that
kill him.
sorry, Khushbu. But no, that's what you would also say. But then she forgets. So I think that's
sometimes there's some things that I just do and then I forget how I did it, and then I look at him, now I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I have my days, and
But no, she's very
I'm
good.
struggling.
Okay, now it's your turn. Pass on the pillows to him. Let's see how well you know your buddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
But he knows me better than I know him. So
Let's-
just
we'll
in
see.
case people have
We will
expectations.
see.
No leniency.
Do we have
marks
a
you're getting.
punch? Do we have a
Shit,
punch
honestly,
cushion?
Max.
Okay, before that, actually, do you guys want to take in a couple of questions that have come in from your fans?
Oh yes.
Oh
actually.
yes.
So that
we'd like
these
to do
guys
that.
are also, maybe they might add in a question too.
Okay, so Mahira has asked, how are you? We're fine. Dev has asked us about our future plans. Actually, we don't know what we're going to be doing tomorrow also. So asking us about our future plans is a really bad idea. But right now we're focusing on just, Nach Valiye, on winning. So
Yes, winning.
please watch, please vote. And
Hi Satya Prakash. Hi Simran Bhardwaj. Hi Faizan.
Faizan said you're a nice dancer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you engaged? No, not yet. But
Not yet, but soon.
yeah, like
Pipeline mein.
yeah, in the pipeline sometime down, but not yet. All the best, Sanam and
Thank
Abby.
you.
Thank you, Rupinder. Thank you, Monica,
Mukesh Patel,
Gauri,
hi.
Uday, Sheetal, Gopal, Mahi, Manisha, Ria, Armin.
Good luck. Thank you. Thank
Everyone
you.
who's saying all the best, thank you so much. We really need your support and,
And
votes
please,
right now.
please keep like you. Second.
Watch the episode on the
Second,
second.
8
p.m. Star
Star
Plus.
Plus.
The first episode has been shot, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it.
Because
Please,
we
please
loved
watch
it. It was like it was a blast because we had so much fun. We laughed, we danced, and
And, a
we
very
we
good
cried as well. So it's like a mix of mixed emotions in the episode. So I think you guys should watch it.
Like
Vishali
a little
asked me-
sneak peek that you can give us from the first episode? We're all too eger.
But
See, soon the promos will be out.
yeah.
And the little sneak peek will be that all the contestants, like yes, everybody knows that I'm a dancer, but all the contestants, the first act looks like a professional dancer, like dancers dancing.
Each performance had something really cute about it, and I loved everybody's stories. I loved our stories also, the way,
Everything was done,
Yeah,
so-
everything was good, I think. It was a package.
I think the choreographers had put a lot of mind into it, thought process, ki bhai, whatever, like be it a non-dancer or a dancer, the act should be very nice. So all the acts, please watch it. Himani is so cute. All
Somebody
the best.
asked me, I think
Hi, guys.
Vishali asked me whether I enjoyed dancing. Yes, I do. Now it's a little hard work. It's a lot of focus, and right now we have the pressure of competition, so it's scary. But I like the feel of being on stage. I hope I enjoy dancing.
My elder brother is there. I can see. When do we see you go live again? Soon.
Soon I'm liking this thing. You know,
Tonight, bro. Tonight.
Yeah,
Together we'll
we've
go
always
live.
been speaking about going live, but we never really had a chance to. By the time we come back home, we're exhausted. But I think it's something that we're going to do often now.
Yes, I was reading.
Wait, I just lost. Is again Nudge too much this time? Yes, definitely. It
I
is
think
too much.
Nudge Baliye season 8 लगाएगी सबकी what? That's
tagline
the
also, he's not been
Yes.
innovative. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you, Dolma, Parul, Zakir Shakir Ali. Thank you, Arpita. Thank you, Alankrita. How you guys inspired to take part in Nudge Baliye? Actually, it's something that we have spoken about. We were supposed to do it the last
year
season
as well.
also, but we had prior commitments, and you know, as much as we hated it, then we really couldn't be part of it that time. But this time we're on for it, and it's something we really want to do because we
The
never
game's
worked
on.
together. I've not done reality shows like Sanam has, so I really want to be part of this and see, you know, like what it's all about, and it's a lot of hard work.
It's fun.
Are you going to split after Nudge Baliye?
I can split right now.
Sure, then we're split.
See?
No plans to,
Naturally,
but we'll keep you updated.
I've been splitting since a while. Since like
I love this question. Interesting.
Okay, so let's get back to our game, and then we'll come back to the
yes.
comments. Okay, so ready? One thing that relaxes him the most.
I think reaching home. He likes reaching home, having a shower, and then he's relaxed.
His favorite genre of dance, style of dance.
Hip hop. Like he's known for contemporary, but I know he likes hip hop more. You've said that to me.
Okay. First thing he notices in a woman.
In a woman?
Yeah.
It
I
depends.
think-
That's the cliche answer.
It
Arre, जा रही है यार.
depends. It's fine.
No.
I think first thing he notices about people in general is how they smell. I know it's creepy, but he really doesn't like people who stink. And I know
have
it
that
for a
creep
fact.
instinct
Yeah.
in me.
He like forms judgment on people who don't smell good. So.
No, but it also depends. आ रही है, जा रही है.
Yeah.
I've never been this cheap.
And I don't think
I'm
Sanam
not
is
like this.
coming live on Facebook ever.
I'll be banned.
Okay.
It's a joke. It's a joke. Like Santa पूछता है बनता से अरे तुझे क्या चल? It's like that.
Okay, here's one guilty pleasure.
His one guilty pleasure. He loves shopping for perfumes. Like he's blown up like 40 to 50 grands in just one time of
Like
shopping.
hiding
Yeah.
this face.
Hiding this face, but this face.
Name 3 of his celebrity crushes.
Sanam's Abigail Pandey. Show the laughing emoji. No.
Okay.
No, actually, he doesn't really. He's quite cute like that. He doesn't talk about his celebrity crushes in front of me. But no, I know the girls you don't like. Shit, I think I'm going to get
No,
this
don't
one.
say that, please. I'll be banned again.
We are working very hard to ban you for some reason.
No.
Okay, so I think I'll just put out this because I don't know his celebrity crushes. I have to do a little more research on that.
If money was not a concern, what is the first thing he would buy?
If money wasn't a concern, I think he'd buy a lot of. He'd make himself a walk-in wardrobe closet thing because he's really been fond of that. So he has that in mind. You know that when I buy a big house, I'm going to have one room just for clothes, and I'm going to walk in and.
Somewhere she got it. She said the house.
Yeah.
So I think that she.
But you want that also, no?
Yeah,
house also,
matlab,
theek hai,
obviously.
big
House with
Yeah,
a
but
pool,
I said
walk-in
house.
closet and a lot of
I said
things.
house.
See, I like how you are finding all the right answers
See?
within her answer.
See, I suck at games in general, you
See?
know. But
I'm just
I
a
love
nice
him.
guy.
I love him.
So don't ban me, please.
Okay, one thing he's really scared of.
His mom. I know this.
We
We're all
just
scared. We were just talking about this, Nietzsche. We were playing a game on our phones. And we were having that competitive wala talk. You know, मैं तुझे दिखा दूंगी, मैं दिखा दूंगी. He's like, देखो, मैं किसी से नहीं डरता. And afterward, he's like, सिर्फ मम्मी से डरता. So yeah, he's really scared of his mom. And he's not a scared person like that. He doesn't get scared of heights, fire, nothing. It's just
Mummy.
mummy.
माँ
मम्मी
का
देख रही है?
फोन आया.
नहीं,
माँ
मम्मी
का
देखेगी
फोन
बट. And mummy is going to laugh.
3 of his favorite food.
3 of his favorite?
Foods.
Pizza, paneer bhurji and paratha.
his idea of a perfect date night.
I think it would be at home with wine, good food. Yeah.
With you?
Yeah,
You forgot
obviously
yourself.
with me.
That's a date, like a lone date.
Yeah, I
with
think it
wine
would be
and
without
food.
me. Because you were just telling me today, ki, yaar, we've been together for too long. Go somewhere. He was telling me, like, give me something.
Go meet your friends.
Go meet your friends. Now he used to work with me also. Now initially, काम के बहाने, I think he used to get thoda bahut this thing time away from me. Now I'm there everywhere. So.
Nach Bali season 8 लगाएगी बाट. Sorry, art and बाट. Anyway.
So, you guys have won Nach Baliye. Let's imagine that. What's the first thing you guys will do?
Go on a holiday. I told him, I said, I want to go to Goa for a month. I said, I'm not coming back. I'm going to eat. I'm going to get fat. I'm not going to move. Any
Get
muscle.
tanned also, yeah?
Yeah. I just want to like chill.
Yeah.
After that, are you going to do mostly Barati dance or like everything's going to be choreographed?
I think वो
No,
संन्यास
yeah,
लेगी तब
Bharati
तक.
dance I think is part of me. Bharati, Ganpati dance, that's always going to be there. But yeah, I think it's going to be a little better now.
So, what are you guys like looking forward to the most?
Looking forward to the most? I think
As
just
in
giving
Nach
good
Bali?
performances.
Yeah, in Nach.
That's what I was telling him. You know, for me, it's just about giving good performances. I just want to dance well because I know he dances well and I know that somewhere.
I think the
he can-
chemistry, I just want one thing, that our relationship should
Yeah,
stay
and
intact. And because, yes, working together with your partner is quite a lot of stress. Everybody, you know it. You know it.
He knows it.
It's just very difficult sometimes because that personal space. कि अरे तो अपनी बंदी है, so we can be a little more harsh.
Yeah, he
Yes,
shouts
being
at me
sweet and
also.
everything.
He
Sometimes,
shouts at
yes.
me also.
I can't cry right now.
I can't. No.
But I'm crying.
Yeah, it's actually,
I'm crying from here.
It's actually a lot of pressure, and you know, normally when we're working in different places, we come back home and you know we.
And then we're
complain
looking
about
forward
things
to
of
meet,
person.
actually.
Yeah, then we look forward to meeting each other. Here, our complaints are only with each other. So we come home. Sometimes we do have our little arguments also, but then the idea is to
Yes.
to win, and we know that जितना भी अभी मुश्किल है, ठीक है, it's fine. We're going to.
So maybe on this live right now, you guys can decide that if you guys ever fight on set, what is the one thing he should do to like apologize to you, and one thing you should do in order to apologize. So you have it sorted right now.
We just like in a while back we had a conversation with a friend about this, and
Yeah,
I
like
was
you know,
talking
we
to
were
him.
just
He's like,
talking
like
Yeah,
just
Shyam,
just
what are you
do.
gonna do? He's going to start like this. He said, wherever you are, I'm going to come and do this. So yeah.
And then in a while she'll get okay.
I'm very easy to patao like that. You have to admit. Matlab, he makes me laugh like that. If he's pissed, na, that is the real challenge.
No.
I'm cute like
No. We can talk about it. When we are in it, we don't do anything about it.
Yeah,
It's
and I
like
think
that.
it's just stress, and we both realize also, yeah, because
It's
obviously-
fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not like we're only fighting because we're here. We used to fight pehle also. And we
That's a
will keep
पुरानी
fighting.
कहावत ना, my दादी used to say, अरे वो बर्तन रहेंगे साथ में तो थोड़ी तो खन टाइप होगा. That's fine, I think.
So yeah.
दादी आप सही है.
So हम यहाँ पे we don't have too much space to do a romance वाला dance where you guys.
Thing that we stand and do.
But then
we can't stand.
we'll
yeah.
just be doing
Hard
it
say,
here.
yeah. Sitting, I don't know, yeah. Sitting here, the choreographer.
You did the split and all, na?
Oh my.
And then you can do all the melodrama.
Disney. अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं. अभी तो आए हो. अभी तो
Yeah. So he sings well and dances well, and I don't know, for some reason God hasn't given me.
No, she plays piano very well. But I was very surprised.
Doesn't matter, but singing and dancing is still better, clearly.
So it's okay now. You are an actor. He's a playback singer in a way.
है ना?
So ठीक है,
Sorted.
full sorted. You can
Yeah.
have like
We'll
your
produce
own.
our own director and producer. We'll make our own family.
Yeah, okay. Future plans.
Again banned, right?
Banned.
Please.
Okay, guys. So taking some comments before we wrap
Yes.
up.
Because this guy's back. Most of couples after Nach Bali splits. Nach Bali is like a sin for most of the couples. Best of luck for your journey. Thanks, that was really motivating. So looking forward to Nach Bali now after knowing that people split. Nice couple, beautiful couple. Let me see. Welcome to the reality dance show. Thanks, Sagarika. What are similar habits of you both? Rashidur, Rahman, Shihab. What are similar habits? Food. Okay, this I read. You're a fab dancer and Abby so cute. Thank you.
Pata hai, right? That's what I'm buying.
Yeah, it took him a while to remember my. Be sure that he knows.
I know the mobile number.
What's your favorite dance form and whose style you love? I don't know. My favorite dance form.
I think intricate
I'm
Bollywood.
telling you, I like Bollywood.
Very. Why do you?
And
why
Sanam
would
has this
you-
OCD problem, you know, like even if you go to anybody else's house, he'll start arranging whatever's on the table in perfect, like they all have to be parallel with each other. So even it's a phone, it's an ashtray, it's a chai ka cup, everything will be in line and everything. So he starts doing that everywhere, which sometimes gets not embarrassing but awkward. Like people just stare and we have to.
But I think it's good. It's a good habit. It's better to be better to be clean than being. You don't manage your relationship, bro. No.
Yeah, I think
Priya Nagpal says
I think that way we're quite
It's-
chilled out. I've never had
you have to
manage
be in a relationship and not
anything
just
with
care.
Sanam. So that way he doesn't have any this thing ki ye mat karo, wo mat karo. In fact, I tell him ye mat karo, wo mat karo. So yeah, that way he's quite cute.
Which one is your favorite movie, Sanam?
Towel and he hadn't worn a t-shirt. And yeah, that was actually our first time. They look cute together. Thank you everybody. Thank you for everyone who's saying all the best. Thank you
What
for
song
everyone
would you guys
who's
like to
watching.
dedicate each other
Like to dedicate each other?
to each other?
Soch, I think, but the Punjabi version. I like the Hindi version also, but the Punjabi version.
And I think Mahi Way.
Yeah, highway wala but.
Highway.
Very
Highway
particular.
wala, Mahi Way.
What pet names do you call each other? Sanam is Sonam, Sonia, Sona, everything. Like I have this habit. I don't call people who are close to me by their real names. Like I think it's very formal. So whatever I
She
can
insults
make,
them. People who are
whatever I
close
can
to her,
make-
she insults them. That's
whatever I can make of his
Please
name.
don't get-
Sanam, Sonam, Sonia, Sona. So whatever comes, Vesi.
So if you shout out Sona and then there's Sonakshi Sinha as a judge
no,
as
I
well.
think it just came in. It's like
I have to
Unagi
be
moment.
careful, yeah. I have to be careful about that. Yes.
But yeah, I call her
Cookie, Kukla.
Cuckoo, Cookie, Bacha, Beta,
Beta. Yeah, he calls me Beta sometimes. Like.
Abby, Gusse mein
Yeah,
Abby.
like no. When Gussa is there, then it's Abigail.
Abigail.
Yeah, like that freaks
See,
me out.
that's
Just
the
call me
parent.
Abigail.
That's the parent idea. When you're a parent in your
But
this
you're
thing,
not a
you
parent,
take.
na Sanam? Fir.
As in, you scared of. I am scared of my. Mummy used to call me Sanamjeet Singh Johar, and
So
I
you want
used to
scare
piss.
me? Are you saying that on live?
Sorry.
You're saying that on live chat that you want to scare me? You're going to get banned. No. So let's see.
You want to get me banned?
Cool, guys. On that note, a message to all your fans.
Okay. People who are watching us and people who have left watching us, sorry for that. We'll be nicer next time. And this season, Nach Bali is very special for us, season 8.
Yeah, it's something that we're doing together for the first time, and we're really excited. A lot of hard work is being put in by everybody, by all the contestants. So please watch, please vote for the performances you like, and if you don't like our performance, please vote.
And
They're going to buy a house and they're going
yeah,
to
we're
get
gonna buy a
Yes.
house. if you vote for us, that's it. So yeah,
so I
that's the
think
idea.
please keep watching.
Thank you
And,
for all the love and support. Thank you for being here
We'll
with us.
be live again soon. It's fun. It's good fun. It's fun.
Awesome, guys. So we will keep seeing you more often.
Yes, hopefully.
Awesome. Say bye. Say cheers.
Bye.
Bye bye. Please
See
keep
you very
watching.
soon. Yes, keep watching.